Hey, this is Patrick Durkin from the Wellness Enterprise coming to you from just above Niagara Falls on the U.S. side. And I have a couple observations to share with you today. The first is I really like the U.S. side of the water because you can get up right next to the water. On the Canadian side, it's a lot of rails and you're kind of further away from the action. And I want you to take a look out there at those rapids. Like being near rapids like that just makes me feel good, makes me happy. So if you come to Niagara, check out the US side. There's lots of places to walk and there's lots of opportunities to get up next to the water. Now, when you get up next to living water, I want to review something with you from the ABCs of water filtration. A is for aesthetics, that's how it smells and tastes. B is for biologics. People don't drink water from places like this because of biological contamination. And I want you to know that this is not medical advice. If you want medical advice, please see your doctor. But what I can tell you is that I've been drinking water from here, poured through an AQUA ENERGIZER for several days in a row, and it's been amazing. It's living water, it's got a lot of energy. So if you want to try that for yourself, I'm not recommending that you do, but more I'm just sharing my practice with you. Using an AQUA ENERGIZER, being around water that's in rapids, it's very healthy for me and it gives me a lot of energy. Hope you all have a chance to get out into nature and visit wonderful places like this.